Hi boys and girls, today we are going to draw a dragon. You can draw part of a dragon, so you can do a close-up of the eye and head, or you could just do a close-up of the eye. It is up to you. I think I'm going to do a close-up of the eye with some of the head visible. Now, make sure when you are drawing this that you are filling up most of the paper. So I'm going to draw my eye here. And I'll have references for you guys to look at while you're drawing this. So right now I'm looking at a picture that I printed off of online based on a dragon from the book Aragon, if any of you have read it. So I am just sketching this first. And then we're going to put this on your final copy. Okay, so there's the dragon's eye that I have as my sloppy copy. So I am going to redraw this the second time, much nicer, on my final copy. And I think I'm going to actually make the eye a little more center and bigger. Make sure you're drawing lightly, so if you need to, you can erase, and don't forget to add details. Now, does this have to be exactly the same as your final copy? No, but it should be similar. Because you can see already that I'm changing some things up. I want his eyebrow of my dragon to be a little more armored. So I'm going to make it a little more square. Okay, once you have this drawn in pencil, it is time to outline with Sharpie and erase. Hello boys and girls, I have my dragon eye outline and the pencils erased, so now it is time to blend and use the color pencil. So we did the worksheet where we practiced blending similar colors. So I want you to do some blending on here. I am going to color in my eye first. So I'm going to find some colors that I can blend together for my eye. And I'm just going to pull out a bunch and then choose from those colors. Okay, I think I'm going to blend from this yellow to orange. And if you need to sharpen, you can use these sharpeners here. Please make sure that you're doing it over a garbage can, or if you're doing it at your seat, that you're doing it over a piece of scrap paper that you can take and then dump into the garbage at the end of class. It is better to have a sharper colored pencil because they go on the paper a little easier, so it gets into the grains of the paper a little better. But you can use a dull one. It doesn't work as well though. Pencils do need sharpened a lot because they can get dull quickly when you're using them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend. So I'm going to start coloring part of my eyeball lightly. And I'm only going to do half of it in orange because then I'm going to start blending the other half. And then I'm going to pick up my golden yellow that I was using, and I'm going to color lightly with that. I'm going to overlap them a little. Now, if you notice, the yellow is lighter than the orange, which makes it a little harder for that yellow to be blended. So I'm going to start making it a little harder here, pressing a little harder, so it's starting to show the value, the lightness to darkness of the yellow. And with my orange, I'm going to go back and do the same. So I'm going to start pressing harder up here. And then as I go down further, I'm going to press lighter. Now, when I get to where the yellow is, I'm going to press really, really lightly. So it's starting to blend there. You can always go back and fix. So you have the value showing the lightness to darkness of that color. You can even do value with just one color. So if I'm going to do the red here, I'm going to have some value in here, so it gets a little lighter and then a little darker. There you go. So you're going to go ahead and color in this whole thing using some areas where you're blending and using just value, and you're going to color in your whole dragon eye. Now to really work this eye, it took me about 10 minutes to get it this way, and I still don't have it quite how I want it, nor did I finish the rest of the eye. So my point is, blending isn't something quick if you are doing it right. It should be taking time, and you should be trying to keep overlapping these colors to get them the way you want them, and you should be using value. Now, I'm going to color in the whole picture like this. I'll show you guys my finished product. Have fun, boys and girls.